how to download Adobe Premiere Pro trial for free. So if you want to download the Adobe Premiere Pro trial for free, then you need to simply open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And once you're on the browser, you need to go and search for Adobe Support. Once you've searched, here you will have Contact Adobe Support. Click on that first search. And here, if you scroll down, you may have an option of Ask the Community or Contact Us option, right? So what you need to do is simply go for Start Now, which is under Contact Us. Click on Start Now, and here this kind of interface appears where you can simply enter the text. So simply go for type your message here, and then you can type a message. And here, you need to write that I wanted to have the trial version of Adobe Premiere Pro because I want to check how the software works before buying. This is my account details, and you need to enter your Gmail account details. And you need to write, it'll be very easier for me to make a decision if I have the free version. And simply go for the send, which is here on the bottom right. You will have the arrow, send that. And once you send that, it will ask you if you want to try or buy a new app. So you need to simply click on try or buy a new app, and here it will ask you if you want to chat with an agent. So click on yes, chat with an agent, and then it will connect you to an agent who can help you. So after connecting to the agent, you need to enter the text which I have just read. So you need to write I want to have the free version of Adobe Premiere Pro because I want to check how my software works or how the software works before buying. So this is my account details, and you need to simply enter the text which I have just said you earlier. And once you've sent the text, then the agent will help you to download the trial version of Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's how you can download the Adobe Premiere Pro trial version for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.